to their homes in South Florida since the hurricane. The group includes Marvin Jones, Florida State's sensational linebacker, whose confidence might only be exceeded by his talent.
I really don't see people when I tackle. I see through them. So, it's like, I don't see nothing. I think that's why they made the football field a grass, because you can go out and bury people. Just dig up the spot and bury them right there.
Marvin Jones is 6'2", 235 pounds, runs a 4.6 40, and is the most feared linebacker in college football.
Marvin Jones is the best linebacker I've ever seen playing college football. He's all over the place. He gets better every year. I remember when he was a freshman, he was 215 pounds and ran fast. Now he's 240 pounds and runs faster.
He can run, he'll hit, he'll dive, he'll jump, he'll do anything he can do to get to the ball carrier.
I feel like I can make every side from sideline to sideline. If now I run up in the press lines, I think I can get him.
Wherever Marvin goes, I go the opposite.
I wish I could wear a jersey with 106 on it, because I feel I'm a combination of Lawrence Taylor and Mike Singletary.
He plays by 3 rules. 1, go full speed, always. 2, play every play as if it's your last. And 3,
just go out with the intent to punish. You go out with the intent to punish, those first 2 will come with that.
Wally Burnham is Florida State's linebacker coach. He works from the press box on Saturdays. Burnham recently compiled a list of his favorite Jones tackles. So, leading the hit parade at number 5, it's that play against Clemson.
That was just instant anger.
At number 4, Florida a year ago.
I just ran straight open. That was just get there.
Moving to number 3, it's Michigan, 1st and goal.
I told him not to do it.
At number 2, BYU.
I was one that scored 2 touchdowns. So I just want to show him, that, hey, I'm getting tired of it.
And the number 1 favorite on the hit parade? Well, sorry to disappoint you, but it never made the highlights because it happened at practice during Jones' freshman year. In just his second day of wearing Seminole pads, during a goal line scrimmage, he leaped over the line to bury the ball carrier. Back then, he was trying to make the team, and now he's an All-American. But nothing's changed.
He wants to do goal line the whole time. That's all he talks about. Let's just go to goal line. Let's go do goal line practice. He always wants to hit.
He never turns the motor off. His motor is always going. Don't put him in there unless you want him to go full speed.
In the mind of Marvin Jones, there is no difference between a practice and a game. There is only football and the pursuit of the perfect hit.
I haven't even come close to the perfect hit. Because, that trauma helicopter hadn't landed in the middle of the field yet.
Around Florida State, people don't expect Marvin Jones to be back for his senior season. They say he'll go to the NFL. Jones, for the record, says he's not thinking about that right now. He's thinking about the Hurricanes. From Miami, Steve Cyphers, ESPN.
Thank you, Steve.